Alright, this is the second video on fixing the camera. One other thing that I did also to the clear 3M tape is I warmed it up a little bit with a hair dryer. That created a nice curvature around the lens and removed the stress from the tape. So we're just going to take our protection off and carefully reattach the lens. Okay, not gonna put it in all the way. What we're gonna do is close the door, put the car in reverse, check our, okay, it's good, but not sharp enough, so we have to adjust the focus a little bit. And what we do is we take it, unwind, check the focus. Too blurry, so we did about a half turn, so we do a little bit in and better, but probably a little bit more. So it doesn't have autofocus, but as you can see, it's focusing. And I think this is the best we could do. We're just gonna overdo it a little bit, and then I think that'll do it. As you can see, it became much clearer with the haze removed and clear tape. Just blend it a little more. This is a two-man job. Okay. Let's see. I think I overdid it, so we'll do unwind a little. Yeah, much better. Okay, so that's about it. You just have to put the cover back on. Just like that. Put 2 screws on either side and job is done. It is adjustable, but you can't really do anything with the cover on. So that's it. That's how you fix the backup camera. Thanks for your attention. Here's Wisconsin.